just back at the chiff-chaff nest that was getting built, and as you can see in there, it's built, feathered, got the clutch of 5. I don't think you can see the 5th egg, but there you go, that's a beaut. Maybe that's a better shot. Oh yeah, clutch of 5 in there. Excellent. Chiff-chaff, clutch of 5. Date is Thursday the 13th of July, and Hugh Edwards is in a bit of bother. Aye. Look at that little new build wrens in there. What a little corker that is. And the smallest is just the little hawthorn nestled in there. There's his entrance hole, no feathering or anything like that, but quite substantial. Hi. A little corker that is. Beauty. Just a quick check in on the 3rd active linnet. I think this had a clutch of 5. Swaying away in the breeze. It was had a lovely lining, this one. I can see, what can we see in there? Definitely see 1, 2, I think I can see 4 weeks. Down there. See 2 weeks snug in there. Aye, but it's on a canny tilt, that. Right, if you remember of a little while back that this was the song thrush that had 2 eggs in that bed. It was so small, now you can see it has added to it, but they've not incubated. It's stone cold. But that nest is so small. I'll just in a little V. Just I've got the measuring tape on this songies, how small it is, and that, yeah, I'll go the widest point. So clay to clay, I've got 8.5. Maybe it's 8 centimeters across. That's songy diameter.